Doves in the wind, pussy like doves in the wind.
Yo, oh no, yo, my vida, boss little. Call me when I'm feeling sick, call me when I'm feeling down, call me when you need someone to talk to. Call me when you're feeling lonely, call me when you need somebody, call me when you need someone to talk to. You got my number, hey. I gotta wait for your boss, don't be late, no. I gotta wait for your call, you get my number. I gotta wait for your call, no. Baby, don't be late, don't delay, no. Hey, my nigga, my melody, I go. I gotta wait for you. I gotta wait for your call, no. My nigga, my melody, I go. My melody, I go. I gotta wait for you. I gotta wait for you. Hey, me come on loco, baby, snap a photo. Anywhere you there, baby, me I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like say I want the lotto. Nancy Colombo, Alan Colombo. Hey, me come on loco, baby, snap a photo. Anywhere you there, baby, me I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like say I want the lotto. Nancy Colombo, Alan Colombo. Tell me what you want to do. Tell me where you want to go. When you go with me, when you need someone to talk to. Oh yeah. Call me when you want some cuddling. When you want some kissing. Tell me when you need anything, baby. Because you got my number. I gotta wait for your call. No be shy, no. I gotta wait for your call. You got my number. I gotta wait for your call. No. Baby, don't delay, don't be late. Oh. Hey, my nigga, my melody, I go. My melody, I go. I gotta wait for you. I gotta wait for you, yeah. My nigga, my melody, I go. My melody, I go. I gotta wait for you. I gotta wait for you. Hey, me come on loco, baby, snap a photo. Anywhere you there, baby, me I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like say I want the lotto. Nancy Colombo, Alan Colombo. Hey, me come on loco, baby, snap a photo. Anywhere you there, baby, me I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like say I want the lotto. Nancy Colombo, Alan Colombo. Now I never know my important, I wanna put yeah. Call me when you're feeling sick. Call me when you're feeling down. Call me when you need someone to talk to. Call me when you're feeling lonely. Call me when you need somebody. Call me when you need someone to talk to. You got my number. Hey, I gotta wait for your boss. Don't be late, no. I gotta wait for your call. You get my number. I gotta wait for your call, no. Baby, don't be late, don't delay, no. Hey, my nigga, my melody, I go. My melody, I go. I gotta wait for you. I gotta wait for your call, no. My nigga, my melody, I go. My melody, I go. I gotta wait for you. I gotta wait for you.
The business. What you say, Jenny?
Lose it without you. I can't help myself from thinking about you. And I know you feel the same. Something that I've been wanting to say. wrong, but it could be love. Just think about us, baby. Yeah, it's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes so deep. What? No, it's hard for you to deny the fact you need me in your life. Yeah, called it. Knew I would end up falling. Baby, we could take it further than now. Tell you what I've been thinking about. Yeah, thinking about us, baby. I'm thinking about us, baby. I'm thinking about us. I could be wrong, but it could be love. Just think about us, baby. Yeah, yeah. It's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes so deep. What? No, it's hard for you to deny the fact you need me in your life. Yeah, it's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes so deep. What? No, it's hard for you to deny.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Cole and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I have this wig. It is from Alipearl, their Amazon shop. So this is a body wave texture, but I dyed the wig and I did all that stuff. So this is not the original texture of the hair, but I am going to put a picture in of what the hair looks like on a mannequin head. So I dyed this wig, like I said, it's like a little copper type brown color. I don't know, I just was doing stuff, so yeah, but it turned out pretty cute. But this wig is 18 inches. It's a little longer than 18 inches to me, but it may just be me. It may actually be 18 inches, I don't know. But yeah, so this wig is a closure wig. It is 6x6. So this is how far it goes. It goes all the way to right here, and it goes to the side all the way down here. Okay, so this wig is 170. It's 6x6 closure, 150 density, pre-plucked Brazilian human hair wig, and it came with baby hairs. And they say it's a deep part lace, which it is, because it is 6x6. This ain't even all the way to go back. But I keep going. Let's lean part it. You can go all the way there, like I said. So the wig is really, really cute. I really do like it. The hair is soft. It's like bouncy. Yeah, I do like it. Okay, so it's shedding and tangling. One little strand of hair and a little snag, but not too much. So you guys did see me install the wig, so you know the inside of the wig looks like and everything. And so what came with the bag, this is the bag. It came with 2 pamphlets, like one saying thank you for buying the wig, and the other one was a pamphlet on actually how to take out the wig, and it was some wig caps, like most wigs. So like I said, this wig is very, very, very soft, very like voluminous, stuff like that. Here go the back of the hair. It is really cute. I'm really in love, and I like how I did this color, even though this is a little light, but we ain't gonna talk about that. We not gonna talk about that. Hey, I ain't no professional dyer or anything. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you know when I post again. And yeah, bye guys.
Wait for your boss, don't be late, no, no.